a short little homework assignment. It's not huge. You just have to type in your own name to a text file, essentially. But the other part of it is that you're going to learn how to use a fork and pull request workflow on GitHub. So if everyone goes to RCOS/RCOS projects, you're going to get this repository over here. And inside of it is a README and different folders for every project. So the idea is, by the next time we meet, so a week from now, we would have one folder for every single project currently in RCOS. And inside of that, you're going to add a members.txt file. And inside of that will be your name with an optional nickname. So the way that this works is that we want to make sure everyone is familiar with how GitHub works and how regular open source workflows happen. So we want everything to be straightforward, right? So you just press this button in the corner here to fork it, and we head back to mine. I should have one somewhere here. Yeah, there we go. So then what I did was that I added one file in the .that folder here, filter subtext, and added my name, right? And then I set up a pull request, which you can do by hitting this button over here, right? And then once you do that, you get like a nice little text box where you can enter like a little description of the changes you made and why it should be pulled in. And then on the original repository, you can see that there's actually my pull request over here. So I actually have access to this repository, so I could just like merge my own request. But generally, that's not how it works. So what you do is you submit this, and then you wait for the original maintainer of the project to be like, yeah, this is good, or like, why did you mess up the white space? Please change that. And then eventually it'll get merged in. So we want to make sure everyone's familiar with this workflow. It's pretty much how most things on GitHub happen when you're not directly collaborating on a project. So just something to do by Friday. Yeah. Or
Next Tuesday.
oh yeah. And we also don't have RCOS next Tuesday. That doesn't mean that you can't go to one of the small group meeting rooms and do whatever, because there's no one else on campus. But officially, there's no RCOS on Tuesday.